Hello, you're welcome to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition, and in this video, we want to learn how to solve real-life problems involving linear equations and inequalities. This lesson can be found in page 133. So let's see how we can have word problems that can be translated into linear equations at the same time also be translated, or that can also be translated into linear inequalities. Now let's take example number 1. A girl added 2 to a certain number or a certain integer and multiplied the sum by half. What are the range of possible values of the integer if the result was strictly less than 1 less than the number? Okay, so first of all, we are saying a girl added 2 to a certain number. Assuming the certain number is n and the girl added 2 to it, okay, and multiply the sum, okay, the sum of these two numbers by half. So by half. Now, what are the range of values of the possible, or what are the range of possible values of the integer if the result is strictly less than, okay, strictly less than, that means that it's not less or equal to, so strictly less than 1 less than the number, so the number is n, so minus 1. So this is how the equation is going to be like, and we have to solve this inequality. Okay, so when we solve it, we have half times n plus 1, that is half times 2 is 1, less than n minus 1. Multiplied through by the LCM, which is 2, like we did previously, we are going to have n plus 2 less than 2n minus 2. When we group like terms, we can have n minus 2n less than negative 2, also minus 2. Again, when we subtract, we have negative n less than negative 4. Now we divide here by -1, divide here by -1, and because we are dividing by negative, our sign will change to greater than 4. So that becomes our answer. All right. Good. Let's take another example and see. A man is 4 times as old as his son today. However, in 5 years' time, the man's age would be 3 times that of his son's age. What are their present age? Again, a man is 4 times as old as his son. So if the son is x, then the man is going to be 4 times x. So let me say son is equals to x. In that case, father will be equal to 2 times x according to the question. Oh, sorry, 4 times x, because he said the man is 4 times as old as his son. However, in 5 years to come, the son is going to be x plus 5, and the father is going to be 4x plus 5. So in 5 years to come, the man's age will be 3 times that of his father. And so in 5 years to come, the man's age, which is 4x plus 5, will be equal to 3 times as old as his son. So old as his son is be that, because 5 years to come, this is the son and this is the father. And now the father's age, which is 4x plus 5, will be equal to 3 times that of the father, the son. So we want to know their ages. Remember, we use x to represent the son. Okay, now when we simplify this, we have 4x plus 5 is equals to 3x plus 15. Okay, now when we group like terms, we have 4x minus 3x is equals to 15 minus 5. Of course, when we subtract, we have our s is equals to 10. So our s is 10, meaning the son, okay, is 10 years old. And then the father, and we said the father is 4 times as old as the son, so father will be 40 years old. So that answers the question. Let's take another question and see. A boy added 2 times a certain number to 8. A boy added 2 times a certain number to 8, and the result was greater than 20. Find the range of possible values of the number. Okay, so a boy added 2 times a certain number, so 2 times a certain number 2 times a certain number plus 8. Okay, and we're adding 2 times a certain number to 8, and the result is greater than 20. Okay, so that becomes our inequality. Find the range of possible values of the number. And so once again, we have our 2x is greater than 20 minus 8. 2x is greater than 12, right? If we divide both sides by that, we have 6. So we can say x is greater than 6. That means anytime you pick any number that is greater than 6 and you multiply by 2 plus 8, it must always be greater than 20. That is what it means. I'm sure this has been of great help to you. Thanks so much for watching.